Hello my correct people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Saga Analyzer TV. Yes, so we don't come back again with another one video where be say they go viral for inside social media, where they go viral. Una see that video where be say Precious Meg and Papa Uwela. Now the matter na carry us come here. So my correct people, yes, so how una see this matter na. I greet you all according to your time. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please do me a favor by hitting that red subscription button that says subscribe. Also on the notification bell and put it for all, so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be forced to watch, like and share our video out to your loved one, to your Facebook as well. So guys, let's continue this matter on ground wey be say Queen Sarah T. Boss can also contribute for the issue today. Say wetin Precious Meg do to Papa Uwela, e say e no really good, you understand? And me, I see am say e no correct, even though say na your godfather. This godfather of a thing wey come dey go on for inside media, so my people, e don dey turn to something else o, wey be say godfather go give her goddaughter belle. Hey, e go even come born for godfather. My people, wanna see this matter? The matter no shock una, e no really good. Wey be say that party wey Precious Meg with Papa Uwela, wey dem go together, e come dey use hand take dey rub am, dey rub im nyash, dey rub im waist, so tey e come pack all the whole current wey dey Papa Uwela body finish. That one no really good o, wey be say na married man, na that one shock me for inside, na shockatalize me. Married man, you come dey rub am, or so tey you come remove all the whole oil wey dey body finish as a godfather. Me, I never see where godfather for the and goddaughter for the play romantic moment for public. If e be say dem no really get wetin dem dey do, whether dem no really dey do touch body, I touch your own back. If dem no really dey do that thing, una believe say this our sister Precious Meg, I say Precious Meg, yes, Precious Meg go dey rub Papa Uwela body like that, so tey even put hand for im neck. Ona wariobola oru, wariobola ekun, oko. E come even put mouth for ear for Papa Uwela, tell am say wetin I believe say e talk for there, say see the hotel wey we for see o, no forget o, or no forget to call me o. Na wetin I believe say e tell that man for there. You no come see another man because say Papa Uwela just open a company, now you just buy ticket, you just run go, you just fly. Wetin some women dey do, why e go be say some of our men, dem no go dey respect women again because of wetin some women dey really dey do for their eye. You just buy ticket, fly to Naija, go meet your godfather, and that your godfather wey you go meet, e even get wife, get children. Wawerie Uwela na le vie do mi vie vo wawerie le ko. Eruwela vedien, Eruwela vodono, eroto mefo oge, otimege Monica lobo, oni ero bokpa we. Awene Monica yare DNA re o marire. Tina, even yere that dog because Monica have to bring that DNA test to prove to the world where innocent in king. Oda mani where oda not here Monica yowa or magwa. Yeah, a matter na where yare DNA rebet. Away, Oswo, I am my mocking. You understand? So, na so near vivani. Precious Megi, kinuwedo ze wano. Ana emiewe, otima noga maege, aproko the godfather. Aproko the godfather. We go give you award, you too much. We go cut this video come out to show the world. For the world to know, say, see wetin dey go on. Say, A woman like you, a grown-up woman like you just buy ticket, take go Naija, go see cassava. Hey! Say, my friend don do for inside o. Let me go and also do my own. Wetin even reason for all the whole matter wey make me come dey do this video so na say wetin I just think for this matter say na money na una come take dey find papa wahala. Money una go dey give am money make e for follow una, make e for duduvaga una. Hey! Osekeseke noru odo. Some women they be read disgrace. Disgrace dey make disgrace no be small disgrace, heavy one. Heavy disgrace to a woman hold, my people. Hey! As I see that video, the thing shock me. He come dey rub papa wahala. He come dey rub him body. Me, I never see where goddaughter for dey rub godfather, dey romantic am like this. Hey! Na wow! Ikweso wawa fava o, wari fava o. Ije ekwe, wanari ekwe, wanari efu wa yekona okpa. Ije. Na wow. Uno fear una no mi wa ogbo where you le. Oma no yeti one on the godfather. What of a mama na revival? One on a republic. Precious Meg. Una yeti wa doze na republic. Ama na ya republic. Igivo agin warido. Agin warido. Salobwana edo na we. God have exposed you people. God have exposed you people. Wama emi okpe ove na emi we. Okpia. Wama emi ove dio Nigeria ni wana ewe. Eru wela na. Yeah, because wani na wano titi. Wanu wa lele. Eri disgrace na fana motiena hiavi ya ala wa egbikia. O hegala wa egbikia because ne baba na wene baba vijenege ayagi do ata bakari baba. Fana motiena hegala wa egbe. Waya na do miewu wa we odafere wa hegari ye o. Fana motiena o hega sunu dawa. Ebibu bona wala nania. Eva bo. Ola waya gbene fala waya gbene niya ma bere na we social media ha amore na ama kokpa ama okpa na ejo ve rita ve nokpa no wisaga ama efo we na we mo wela dia Precious Meggy wage kweve am wa ve vimani kwo ve le we ikwo hia o geleje we ni na we wa mi okpia ove okpiere for that matter akpika wa so adon we ruwala na nokpa ka duduvaga ene I must have me owo mevo fufia kwa wa diji o so iwa mi video na ogele wa gba modi ibi edo me wa mi video na me wa ni bu ami because that video is a very viral video or viral by social media here ni imari ihe no ti ma idola dian ege Precious Meg no do time ma no see romantic moment ni ve uwe party uwe azagba we public na miewe o ti ma ya prokona ya fiamula dian na fiare wo wa re no suno wa mamiero do tue wa mambrego do tue o revo waga mi video ni una waga gege Precious Meggy ge ekwu emoji be ekwu emwe nene mi agie ki ekwu emomo ekwu emomo agie ki ije wawe gbene gbu wa egbe wona social media no wawe jena ona iwe ni mare dota iwie vo mela waga video na like and share this video so that this my video will go viral. I know that this is a new channel na imawada kie so wa subscribe channel na wa subscribe channel mana let's take this channel to another level wa giarie 100 subscriber. Share my video to your friend, to your loved one. Tell your sister to subscribe to my channel. Tell your brother to subscribe. Tell your friend, and also tell your friend to tell another friend to subscribe to this our channel. We go dey bring audio ogbonge news wey dey happen for inside media. Come dey bring am for una table. We go dey talk am for here, dey analyze am for this Saga Analyzer TV. Yes, so my people, una see the video when I do the last time to Rita and Monica Lobolobo. Iyamaye weregbe saga. Iyamaye were so oni. Okay, we got next topic here. Orima mave do moye unwetebu ni mave duo ni mave zanzaiga. I appreciate every one of you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video at like and subscribe. I appreciate you all. See you guys on my next video.